Lucas. Yay! Grab the ball. You gotta grab it though. Good job. It's behind you now, though, bud. Look at the ball. Can you get it? We're gonna spin full circle. Yay! Can you throw the ball together? Okay, I made it to me. That is good.
Put him back up. Spit him up.
Alright, bud. Ready? Get the ball. Alright, throw it to Dada. Can I have the ball? Throw it to me. Throw me the ball. Yay! We're too close, maybe. Ready? Can you get the ball? Alright, throw it. Throw it to Dada. It's right there. Your ball over there. Uh-oh, it's moving. Keep going for it. There you go, up on your knees. Keep going, bud, you got it. Where are you going, bud? You making a beeline for the shoes? Nope, failed the ball. Uh-oh, where'd it go? You sat up. Good job, bud. Yay! Where are you going now? There's your ball. You got it, bud. Good job.